where the rivers flow, the wildflowers blooming in the soft sunlight's glow.
All right, once again, I want to say welcome to Creative TV. We're going to be exploring certain parts of Utah using my portable Canon M50 camera with the 10-18 lens. We're going to make our way down to the Capitol Reef, the Mexican Hat, and then we're going to go all the way down to Monument Valley, and we're going to go check out the spot where Forrest Gump was running for his life. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Here we go. All right, so here we are at the Mexican Hat, one of Utah's strangest rock formation. Balances a flattened pancake disc atop a 300-foot high talus cone. It resembles a sombrero with a wide brim. It looks really cool when you get close up.
From canyons to valleys, history stands proud.
All right, Belly of the Dragon, located in Utah under Highway 89, and is used as a drainage for the upper canyons. Now there is a 4-mile hike around the canyon, but there's really not much to see. So getting down to the Belly of the Dragon is really not that hard. You climb down one rock and you're in the Belly of the Dragon. It'll take you about 15-20 minutes total to walk through the Belly of the Dragon and take your photos. I highly recommend it if you're planning on going through Utah. Make sure you take a quick stop at Belly of the Dragon. It's really cool. Also, when you're halfway into the Belly of the Dragon, you're gonna need some sort of light form. So either use your cell phone or take a flashlight. I would recommend taking a small flashlight other than your cell phone, because the cell phone light sometimes in that Valley of the Dragon is just not bright enough. So keep that in mind.
Where the rivers flow, the wildflowers blooming in the soft sunlight's glow. Whispers of the ancients linger in the breeze. Take me to the parks where the wonders never cease. Then we roam the trails where the eagles soar. In the arms of nature, I'll always want more. Take me to the hills that never sleep, where the stars tell stories and the mountains sleep. Show me God's creation, so wild and free. In the heart of America, just you and me.
All right, Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. First thing we see when we arrive is wildlife. I myself personally love the wildlife, so this right here, this whole scenery just made the whole trip worth it.
Valleys, history stands proud. In the shadow of the giants, I'll sing it out loud. With every step I take, I'm tracing the past among the towers.
Okay, so Capitol Reef, it surrounds a long wrinkle in the earth known as water pocket fold, with layers of golden sandstone, canyons, and striking rock formations. Among the park's sites are the Chimney Rock, the Hickman Bridge Arc, and the Capitol Reef, known for its white sandstone dunes. And this is where we're at right here. In the north are the towering monoliths of the Cathedral Valley. This whole scenery that you're watching right here is just breathtaking. It's like you're in a whole different world. So if you're ever down in Utah, I highly recommend taking a stop at the Capitol Reef. It's underrated. Not many tourists go to this location because it's out in the middle of nowhere. Capitol Reef is a hidden treasure filled with cliffs and canyons, so make sure you stop by.
Ghost town calling, where the spirits roam free. Adventure awaits just you and me. Mountains rising high, catching sunlight's glow. Let's go to Utah, where the wildflowers grow.
All right, Gooseneck State Park. This small park affords impressive views of one of the most striking examples of an enriched river on the North American continent. It's about $5 to enter the park. Once you enter the park, right in front of you actually is the Gooseneck River, so you might want to check that out.
Monument Valley's got those rocks standing proud, with the desert breeze breeze blowing, I'll shout it out loud. Canyonlands, canyons, deep and divine. Every twist and turn feels like a good sign. Exploring the arches, feeling so alive. Let's go to Utah where the wildflowers grow.
All right, Monument Valley. This place has become a very popular tourist location because of this road right here where Tom Hanks plays Forrest Gump, where he was running down the road. Here it is. Check that out. All right, like usual, once again, I want to say thanks for visiting Creative TV, and we will see you at the next video.
Chase the sunset with memories we'll keep in the beauty of Utah.